Hey, I am at AngelsRest Rock. Specifically, I think the hill is called AngelsRest. This is the rock. And we're at 3,507 feet. That's the view. That's some river that I crossed earlier today. The sun is just about down, so we're starting to see some interesting colors over there. And I get an instant reward for taking the few extra steps to this outlook because there's a beer here with caveat. This says, to win this beer, challenge each other to a 30-second dance-off. Whoever is more fierce or better wins. Happy trails, Aaron the Riddler. Well, I danced for 30 seconds myself and nobody danced better than me, so I get the beer. Enjoy the view. I think I might try to keep moving and catch the actual sun during this sunset on the other side. I don't know how good this video is going to be because it's zoomed in, but that clump of trees right there is where the hostel is. I went this afternoon to get laundry and shower and stuff like that. I recognized the shopping center because that's the Food Lion supermarket and that's a Tractor Supply on the other end. So I walked from there up to here this afternoon. And right there somewhere is the Dairy Queen that I went to twice today. Once I got a peanut butter parfait, which is their single greatest item. And the other time I got a cone, and I was a little disappointed because apparently Virginia Dairy Queens do not have chocolate. We'll call them sprinkles. I would call them jimmies, especially since they're chocolate. But they don't have chocolate ones here, so I had to get rainbow sprinkles on my vanilla ice cream cone. Okay, see you down the trail. Okay, here's the no zoom view of that shopping center. Trying to put it in the center of the frame. And that is at 1,762 feet. So I just looked and determined that I came up approximately 1,800 feet in the walk from there to here. And the sky's getting more colorful as the sun goes down behind us. Whoa, we're looking up now. Yeah, we'll take the trail a little bit, see if we can catch the sun before it disappears. Good morning. I was not able to catch the sunset last night. Just wasn't in a good place to actually get a good view of the sun by itself. But strange view this morning. The sun's been up for about an hour, and this is the view generally when I was looking down last night towards where that hostel was, where I spent the afternoon. So that hostel will be more over in this area, which we can't quite see exactly because of the trees. But look at that blanket of fog in that entire valley down there. This looks like a giant lake or even an ocean, but it's all fog. Which I'm guessing will only last for the morning, but we'll see. I can hear some trucks, and there's a lot of train activity down there, but it's weird to hear them and not be able to see any evidence of where a truck might be. Right there, under that white stuff.